everyone, I'm Naz from Glojas. Hope everyone is keeping very well and safe. Today I would like to talk about everything you need to know about a laser carbon peel. The laser carbon peel is fast and painless procedure done to help improve the look of a skin. It is used primarily by people with oily skin, acne and enlarged or clogged pores. Laser carbon peels deeply exfoliate skin and they also help to stimulate the collagen production. Laser carbon peels are used to treat acne, acne pigmentation, acne scarring, enlarged and clogged pores, photoaging, fine lines and wrinkles. Call us now to know more about the effectiveness of these treatments so that you can best determine if this treatment is the right one for you. Glojas brings out the best in you.